Hello, question 11 is about only has a London force. It means that the molecule is not polar. If it is molecule is polar, then it will have polar force. Dipole-dipole interaction, right? So look at the force structure. So first for the D, okay, it is a XCO2. The structure is like this, okay, and it has two lone pair. So it is a polar molecule, so it has a dipole-dipole interaction. For SO2, it's the same. It's one lone pair here. So it's also a polar molecules. For SF4 is also a polar molecule. It's connected with 4F and it has one lone pair. So it's also a polar molecule. But for PF4, or the outermost shell electron is connected with the F triangular bipism. So there's lone pair for PF4, so it is not a polar molecule, so it only has a London force, so the answer is A.